Hi, it's Thomas Kleinsizer here with Incline Performance, and I want to share with you a few simple moves you can do at home and almost anywhere to help improve lower back pain, stiffness, or tight hips. It's a way to stretch out the psoas muscle, which is the main hip flexor muscle that allows your hip to go into extension like this. So I'm going to do this move here on a bench. So all you're going to need at home is a small box or some type of bench like this. This fire stand thing works perfect for me. So what I'm going to do is set up like this, squaring my hips off towards my front foot like that. I'm going to keep my back leg straight and turn that heel out so my hip stays parallel this way, and I'm going to tuck my tailbone in. So it's going to be a posterior pelvic tilt or tailbone tucked in. You're going to keep, the opposite is this. You're going to keep that position this way, drop your hip towards your front ankle, and then squeeze your butt, keeping this leg straight to come all the way up. You're going to feel a stretch down here in your hip flexor, and you're probably going to start feeling better right away from doing that at home. So the best way to do it is start with about 6 to 8 per side. After a few days or a few times doing this, you're welcome to weight it up a little bit, so grabbing something like a kettlebell in the front or some type of weights down the side, and slowly work your progression up from there. And that is it. It's that simple. I call it the front foot elevated split squat. So leave me a comment below to let me know how it's working for you or if you're able to do it.